Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Ads tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to add keywords to Google Ads. Now this is a very quick tutorial. I will not log into my Google Ads today, but I will show you how to add keywords with this tutorial from Creative Website Marketing. So thank you for Creative Website Marketing for this tutorial. Now as you can see, first you need to find your campaigns, because if you want to add keywords, you need to find your campaigns. So click on campaigns. You need to navigate to the correct ad group from your campaigns. This is how it's going to look like. Click ad group, and then what you want to do is you want to go to keywords right here and click on the keywords tab. From the keywords tab, as you can see, you will be able to search for the keywords right here and get keyword ideas on the right side. Now, after you click that plus button, Google will provide you with a box for you to input the keywords right here. So here you can actually add keywords to Google Ads. You can also enter a related website where you can basically extract keywords from. And as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. If you click plumber, for example, you will get a keywords by relevance. You will also get keyword match types. So after you select a keyword, suggested keyword, you will need to go into the final step, which is match, basically get a match type for your Google Ads keyword. You have broad match, you have phrase match, and then you have exact match. Now, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Now, keyword match types are for broad match. These are basically ads that may show on searches that relate to your keyword. Phrase matches are ads that may show on searches that include the meaning of the keyword. For example, low moaning service near me. Now, exact match is ads may show on searches that are the same meaning as your keyword. So for example, if someone searches low moaning service, then it will basically be that exact match. So these are basically three different matches. This is how you can add keywords, right? So if you go to the plumber, you can go to the plus sign and you will be able to add those keywords into your Google Ads campaign. So that's how easy it is. Hopefully you guys understand this video. Hopefully you find it useful. If you did, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next video.